One. Welcome to Edmonds College Community Farm.
The farm is a place for students to learn about food production and a lot of other concepts that come along with it. It's a place to learn about biology, and it's also a place to relax and have some good food. The farm is supported by the Campus Green Fund, which comes from students' admission fees.
Get more and more from every week, or every 2 weeks at least, that we wouldn't have to like reseed over and over again. And everyone likes lettuce.
When did you guys harvest these?
I harvested these about a week ago.
Okay.
Which, you know, timing's not necessarily perfect, but I took a lot of these and I replanted them, right? And that's because we just needed to create a space for the beans right there with the poles. So every harvest day we start off earlier in the morning, because the earlier the better. If it's hot in the day, then the lettuces will most likely wilt before we take them to the food pantry. So so we get here early, and the more people the better to help with harvest. So we take these sterilized bins and this paring knife that I purchased for harvesting, and basically just get on the ground and start doing it like this. We grow lettuce as a cut and come again, so that we can get more out of each seed that we sow. It's totally fine to do cutting heads of lettuce and then, you know, tossing the rest of it, but we just get more out of each seed this way, and it also guarantees that we're able to harvest at the same time every week. So once a week we can harvest these lettuces for months. We planted the lettuce seed 10 weeks ago. It took about 10 days to germinate, you know, give or take 5 days or so. It's pretty warm in the hoop house, so it germinated quickly, and then the first cut we made was about a month after we seeded. So it took 4 weeks to get to the point where, about 4 weeks to get to the point where we could actually eat what we had seeded, which is one of the faster turnarounds for vegetables. Like if you wanted to get something to eat as quickly as possible, then I'd recommend planting lettuce or arugula. Those are really fast.
And they don't even have to be like full sun. They could take in like shade as well, so it doesn't have to be full sun.
Yeah, and lettuce likes the shade, so it's a versatile sort of plant to grow. It was important for us to grow things that grow fast, grow quickly, because we knew that people at the food pantry were waiting for produce. So we concentrate a lot on leafy vegetables.
Yeah.
I'll go with you. Okay. We're delivery.
You're delivering.
Can we walk in?
If you don't mind, have you step over here so that you get through. Yeah, come on through. How's it going today?
Good, how are you?
Good,
Just
good.
if people see and they're like, what is that? Just tell them you can eat them. It's porridge. Okay.
There was only a couple that fell in there. Do you think that we should add it? Do you think people would like that? Or do you think that it would be too, it might be a little too different? Know what kind of onion this is. I think it might be a walking onion.